Morning, Lara. You want to help Mommy, no? Okay. Day, peppers na siya. Bell peppers na siya. Take it out. Then put it in the pot. Just leave it like that and then put some soil. You can use your hands if you want to. I'll help you hold it. Para magkuhan siya. Sige. Put some more soil. It's okay, it's okay. Just add soil. Some more. You still got 3 more to do. Okay? And after that, what you're going to do? Water it, huh?
Okay.
That's enough.
Apa?
There's a bug. You're scared? One more. Oops, it's okay. Put it near me. I'll hold it for you, come on. Okay, just add more soil. It's okay. We can clean it later.
I think that's too much. Yep, too much.
Alright. You know that we will, once it's growing na po, we will repot it in a bigger pot na po. Let's get some water so we can water it. Okay, water na.
That's too much.
No, it's okay. You can also water the big one. Look at the tomatoes.
I'll
Ganda
just
ayo.
water a little bit because it's already looking wet.
Oh, because it was raining yesterday, remember? Ang katurong atong gitanom, ni-repot ang imong i-water. O kanang mag-cut lang taog ka ng recycle lang taog Coke bottles. How about that? Okay. See you next time.
See you next time.